I got all the time in the world. Don't you want some of that?
Welcome to the 90s.
Welcome to the 90s, folks.
Discovered this cool new app that probably everybody else already knows about.
I forgot to return my school books. So we're driving and we've got about 40 minutes to spare, probably another like 25 minute drive. And then we'll be there, so hopefully I'm there in time to return.
Because you remembered literally last minute.
Right. I remembered as soon as you got home.
You were like, shit.
So we're driving to Clearwater.
And we're gonna go eat.
Yeah, then we'll get food.
And we're gonna celebrate being adults.
Yeah, adult life!
Look, I'm zooming in on your face. Ooh. Ooh. Freddie.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just looking at camera stuff.
Hey guys.
Hey.
How's it going?
Pretty good. We're just like chilling.
What are you doing, Lana?
So it's Saturday.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna go to Target.
Where are we at?
Well, Whole Foods.
Whole Foods buffet is the best.
This is quite a light.
What are we doing?
We're at this new place in St. Pete called King. Is there? What's the full name?
It's King. I think it's just King's Street Food Counter.
Yeah, it's so good. They have all these like hot dogs and
Grilled cheese.
cheeses and beer.
The vibe is super cool.
Yeah. You know, I was thinking maybe I'll put on some jeans, but then I realized I should probably grab my coat too, because it's cold outside.
Switch it to a different one.
I can't. It's cold.
Okay, right here. You recording?
I'm recording now.
So, we just got pizza at Eddie and Sam.
And now we're at Curtis Hickson.
It's really good. Even though the buck's off.
High roll though.
This is so like.
I know, that's why I was like, we literally only need one slice each.
I really need to work it out.
Lana. What are you doing?
Me?
No.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! that's what my recorder looks like.
Now, if you touch the zoom
On the left.
on the left hand side and you push it up,
Up this one.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's a great yes!
Got that lag.
Oh, it acts just like a regular recorder. This is crazy. All right, I gotta get this app. This is great. Merry Christmas! Too funny. See, Sue? It makes it look like your old video recorder.
It's literally just called Camcorder.
Okay, I gotta look it up.
I'm just ready to deal with some guy named Chris in here.
Oh, he's
Nightmare. That guy's a real asshole. That's what I heard, but I don't want to.
God, I love music stores.
Freddie loathes music.
I love music stores.
He does not.
I love all the people in music stores. I love the customer service you get at music stores. I love music stores. They're great.
He
They're
hates
so
them.
good. They're so good. I just love walking in there and spending more money than I have to, and just getting shit talked by all the guitar players. It's great. Get my Christmas on. lost cool points.
Why? Because I backed in.
Yeah, you backed your car in. Who backs their car in? Look at her. Look at that.
Okay, so we just went to the Tampa Indy Flea, which was pretty cool. And I got this cool little guy.
Little guy. Dude, that thing is so cool.
It's got moss.
God, those people were so nice.
We had a soda coffee.
We had soda coffee.
That was pretty cool.
That was very good.
And
we got
they were out of fries. We went into a gypsy bus where people could have just stolen her stuff because she was the worst business lady I've ever seen in my whole life. We walked in and she was like, "Hey," she was like on her phone. Hey. Yeah.
Cool.